Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Wurkkos HD03 Rechargeable Flashlight. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
So as we get this open, you will have a simple kind of user manual kind of walking you through everything. I guess that's a simplified and a more detailed user manual. You'll have a USB-C to USB-C charging cable, a little kind of connection lanyard for this, and then of course the mini flashlight, which is of course a clip-on capability, as well as again, the lanyard options to check out. I also want to show that it is a magnet. This will not do a good job of demonstrating it because it's on a knife, which is not a lot of metal, but as you can see, it still does a decent job of holding on. And then of course you'll have kind of your options here of how the light works. First and foremost, we'll turn it on. Make sure that you do read your instructions to make sure you know what you're doing, because I do not read instructions very well. And so I'm going to do that real quick. So it turns out that it just needed some juice. So basically you're going to just press that button to turn it on. You'll see a green light. That'll be red when charged and green when fully charged. And then you'll have some options here to kind of go spotlight or more of a floodlight. I don't know if I'll be able to demonstrate that here, but you can probably see on my palm the way it kind of switches from small to larger. So on the actual light, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see, it's the center light versus the outside light. So I'm going to turn this off so you can see it goes from center to all the outsides. And it does a pretty decent job. So I'm going to show this at night a little bit. Final thing is just a power source, charge it right there. Again, this thing will clip on, do all kinds of different stuff, magnet. So we'll show that at night. So I'm filming this just to show that it is metallic and can work, but I want to kind of show the lighting switch. So when you first go from dark to on, just pressing the button, it'll start at the low level light. If you hold it, it will go up one, hold it again, it'll go up another, and hold it again, and it'll be at its brightest level. And I'm just showing you the difference when I first pulled in. So this is really, really bright. And again, kind of going from like a broad, like a spotlight oriented look to more of a just broad, we'll call it like a floodlight. I don't know the best way to kind of example this, but hopefully you can see the difference as I shoot it there. You may not see the difference on the wall, but either way, for being such a compact little light, it's awesome. And I definitely think it's worth buying, just considering how much light it brings into a completely dark room. As you see, completely dark to go to a little bit more, a little bit more. So great to kind of walk the dog with, just clip on your belt or something. Or just hiking. Again, very lightweight, small, compact with a huge amount of light. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helps. And thanks for watching.